Okay, I believe we are following, and if you are not, please indicate in the comment section. Now I'm going to be showing us how to scan. There are various ways, but I'm going to start with the first one, which is our phone. You know that our phone has a scanner. Our phone has an inbuilt scanner. For those of us who have an Android version, as from 610 and above, 6810 and above. If you don't have it, you can update your phone. It's advisable that once an update come, update your phone, because Android always send updates, and it's not advisable to ignore. Always try to update your phone. So now, if you open your phone camera, I'm going to be opening my camera. This is my camera. Okay, this is my camera. Now, if you look at this, if you see, there is video, there is AI, there is beauty. Under beauty, you will see a colored square box: red, yellow, blue, and green. This, I don't know if can you see it in your phone? If it's in your phone, congratulations. This is what we call Google Lens. It's a Google Lens. It's inbuilt in all upgraded Android phones. Okay, if you don't have it, you will have to go and download it from Google Play Store. So you can click on it and actually scan. You can see I'm not connected now. Okay, if I on my data, alright, so you will now press this search symbol. When you press it, then it will start scanning. You can start scanning. Right now it's dark, so it's not scanning anything. So that is how you use your Google Lens to scan any scan code you see anywhere, whether in the back of a book, or on a poster, on a flyer, on a device. Wherever you see any scan code, you can use this Google Lens. Okay, and then another way, if you don't have it, like I said, you go and download. So you go to your Google Play Store, you type your Play Store, and you can tap any. Alright, you can see Google Lens here. You can type in Google Lens and download it, for those of us that don't have it in our phones. So this is what you use to scan. And then you can type barcode QR code reader or scanner. Okay, so you can download any of them, and when you are done, you use it for scanning your code, and it works offline. This is the one I'm using. I also have a scanner here. This is my own here. Alright, this here you can see it's automatically scanning. Then you can, when you get to the menu button by the left, this horizontal button, from here you can create codes. Okay, you can create QR. From here you can also create your scan QR code. You can input your QW. You can copy and paste your link here and create your code. But this one is static. They are not dynamic. You can't put a call to action. That is why QR Tiger is, or any of those online platforms, is still the best for creating a QR code. I believe you understand. Thank you very much.